In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to key a reimbursement. You need to scan or take a picture of your receipt. That's very important before you get started. Under Draft, you'll see AP Invoice. Click on AP Invoice under Draft. Make sure the company's Crossroads and click on New up in the top left corner. When you get to the period, this is the date the expense happened. In this case, I'm just picking June. The routing rule and routing value should always say reimburse and then your name. Click Update. Now click Add New Row. You will drill down by clicking Upload. You're actually going to drill down and choose the file from your hard drive. This is where you save the actual receipt. I'm just kind of scrolling through. I've just got a fake receipt. I'm going to click on it, click Open. Yours might be a JPEG, that's fine. PDF or JPEG. Either of those image files will work. It's just an example. The vendor is now what's important. The vendor is who actually gets paid. So if it was like Dan Smith or Karen Smith or someone, you're going to go through and find the actual person that needs reimbursed, which could be a key volunteer. But in this case, it's for myself, so I search for my last name. Then you just kind of scroll down, and the invoice date is actually the receipt date. So in this case, it was June 25th, and I was keying this on the 26th, so I have to change the date. The invoice number, just use the person's last name and the date. We're just trying to make sure it's unique. And then give it a good description. So I usually do my initials, and then I might type it was a battery for like an ATV for base camp or something like that. Again, we want you to be descriptive when you get to the description and not real generic. If you try to type too much, you're going to get it must be 30 characters or less. So just get rid of stuff that doesn't matter. So battery, ATV, base camp. The amount, although this amount is like $130 or something, you should not include tax because Crossroads shouldn't pay tax, but in general, you're going to put the amount to be reimbursed. I'm just typing $1 because it's just a sample reimbursement, but you would put the full amount, the $131 or whatever. Nothing else on this screen. I want you to scroll up to the top after you're done and click Update and Close. And then this next step is extremely important. I want you to scroll down. In no way should you hit Submit until you change the budget code. So down by the GL account, click on the pencil. You'll get this pop-up. It will default your current ministry, like your department and site. And then you just scroll through and look for what it should be charged to, if this was mileage or volunteer recognition or whatever. I'm just picking something generic for this example. I'm just going to pick the office equipment, but pretty much it should never be the first one. And then good, you don't have to change your description because you've already typed a good description, but you'll click Add Update on the left. Then you'll click Return to Transaction. Wait for it to blink as you can see that it changed to office equipment, which is the code that I selected, and then you hit Submit. It should show your manager's name. Apologize, it's cut off, but it's just saying, are you sure you want to submit? I say okay, and then it said your invoice has been submitted. You can then sign out and you're done. Thank you.